We can all relate to our parents embarrassing us in public, but what happens when your dad is a world-famous athlete and he does it on Twitter? Hey, I'm Mike Janella for Buzz60. Deion Sanders is a Pro Football Hall of Famer and a Major League Baseball veteran. Deion Sanders Jr. is a college kid who loves to tweet. Deion Jr. tweeted to his 65,000 followers that he, quote, gotta get the hood donuts almost every morning. Then, Dad came in to put his son in his place. You're a Huxtable with $1 million trust fund, he said. Stop the hood stuff. Adding an LOL. Gotta admit, that was actually pretty funny. Deion Jr., a sophomore football player at SMU, laughed it off, responding he still loves those donuts. But Senior's got a point. It's hard to pull off the hood stuff routine when you also love tweeting TBTs of yourself in luxury sports cars and asking which of your Balenciagas you should wear today. Balenciagas, by the way, cost $600. About $550 more than the shoes I'm wearing today. Safe to say Deion Jr.'s college experience is a little bit different than yours or mine. Buzz60, now you know. Pass it on.